Hi and welcome back. This is where we stopped in the last video, and in this video, as I said, we're going to look at variation products. So we're going to create different variants. So you're going to see how you can create variants for your products. Let's say that you're selling shoes. You can have different sizes of shoes, and you can also have different colors of shoes. So if you want to create a variant, this is how you are going to do that. The first thing I want to do is I want to come here and I want to duplicate this product. So let's just duplicate this product, and you can give it a different name. So I'll just leave it like that. And I can also duplicate the images as well. If you don't want to duplicate the images, then you can leave this unchecked. Okay, so there's your new product. So I can just change the title to reflect the different options that I want to have. So if you want to create variations, you're just going to have to come all the way down and you're going to create the variation down here. I will click and add the variant. So this is for you to know what is being chosen. For example, if it's shoes, you'll probably put here size of the shoe. If it is 16 or if it is 30, 40, you're going to put the sizes there. If it's color, you're going to add another option and you're going to add color, and then you're going to put the different colors that you have separated by commas. Okay, you separate the different options using commas. So for me, I want to put here as capacity, and I'm going to have 16, 8, and 4. So you just separate them with commas, and this is going to happen. Okay. And then as soon as you'll notice that as soon as you add any kind of variant on your product, down here you're going to see the different the different options that you have for the different products. For example, you'll see that the prices will definitely need to be different depending on what you're selling, and you can also give them different SKUs, add the barcode there, and if you have different numbers in inventory, then you can add the inventory so that Shopify can track the inventory for you. So 16 GB, let's say maybe this will now be 80, and then the SKU will be 16 GB, and then inventory will just be 10, and then 8 GB, I'll leave that at 50, and then I will leave it at that same SKU, and let's say the quantity for this is 5, and then let's make 4 GB 30, and I'll change the SKU, and I can put this at 30. I've got 30 of this in stock. So once you do that, of course, you're going to need to save. And if I come here, and let me just go home. If I scroll down, you'll see that I've got 2 products. So this is the one. So let's just click on this product that we've just created, and you'll see that here you'll have the option of choosing the one that you want. So if this were dresses or shoes, people would be able to choose the one that they're interested in, and as soon as you choose the price, it will change the price here as well. Okay, the product that we duplicated had this, and you can see it duplicated this as well. So you can just leave that. So if you had more options, people would be able to choose the different options here. For example, if you're selling shoes, someone would have chosen the size of the shoe that they want to buy, the color of the shoe that they want to buy, and you know how you can set up that in your product editing page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I will see you in the next video.